In this segment, we'll be going over one of the 12 flexible content areas that comes with the ConstructCo theme from Tilt Themes. The flexible content areas are an amazing feature that gives you the ability to create hundreds of page layouts from one simple interface. So let's go ahead and take a look at the Form Flexible Content section. The first thing we want to do is log into our WordPress installation, navigate to Pages, and let's go ahead and add a new page. We're going to call this page Form Demo, and we're going to ignore the header tab right now, and we're going to go straight to our content. So let's go ahead and add a Form Content section. And as you can see, there are a variety of settings, so let's go through these one by one. The first option we have is to display a white background or not. Let's go ahead and do it for this demo. Next, we have the choice between two different layouts. The first is a full width layout with no title and no description. The other is a two-column layout with a title and description. Let's go ahead and use that one for this demo. We'll go ahead and add a title. Choose an icon to go with the title. And then let's add a short description. Next, we want to actually add our form fields. As of now, you have two options with form fields. You can choose between a standard text field or a text area. In future releases, we might add additional fields, but for now, you have those two options. So let's go ahead and add a few fields. The first one I'm going to add is a name field. So the name field will act as the label for this field. The placeholder is what will be inside of the field. Typically, this is an example of what you want them to put in the field. Next, we can choose the input field type. In this case, we just want a normal input field. And finally, we can choose the width of the field. And I'm going to choose 50% on this. Let's add a few more. And then I want to add a basic comments field. And I don't want a placeholder on that. And we're going to want that width to be 100%. Okay, once you have your fields added, let's go ahead and add our button text. Next, let's tell the theme where we want these form submissions to be sent to. In this case, we're going to send them to support@tiltthemes.com. And the email subject of those emails coming in will be new message from website. Finally, we can tell the theme where we want to send users after they've submitted the form. In this case, we have a thank you page, and so we'll send them to that. Okay, once you have all of your fields filled out, let's go ahead and publish and take a look at the page. So here we go. We have a white background, a title, icon, description, and here we can see our fields. And just like everything else in this theme, this is responsive ready. So as we shrink it down, the fields adjust according to the device size. So let's go ahead and go back to our admin, and let's change a couple things on the field. Let's get rid of the white background, and let's make it a full width, just to demonstrate what different layouts are possible. Okay, let's refresh our page. And there we go, we have a pretty basic form. Okay, that about does it for the form flexible content section. Just as a reminder, if you have any questions or concerns, you can contact us through the comments section of our Theme Forest page.